So this is going to be my review on this NEEWER double stacked dual suction cup mount for the car. Now, we've already got one in the car that we use, so I'm familiar with their products. As you can see, you're going to get all your warning labels, your label there. Everything will be coming to you in that. Make sure you read those. I like this already. This is going to be a lanyard. They know that we're going to use this on the outside of the car. So they're supplying us with a lanyard as a safety in case one of the suction cups lets loose. Got our Allen key tool here. You can see here, this is the 1/4-20 for your action camera or phone mount, whichever you're going to use. This is their magic arm, which is pretty cool because you can see it's 1/4-20 here, 1/4-20 here, but this loosens up, and so this will rotate around so that you have a way of adjusting your cameras in a lot of different ways. It also is coming with a phone mount. You can see here, 1/4-20 on the back there, as well as one on the bottom, so depending on how you want to mount it. So there is the suction mount cups themselves. These are covers, but you can see the suction cups. And basically the way this is going to work is we're going to stick it on the car or on some glass, and we're going to pump this up until that white line disappears on both sides. All right, so let's go ahead and install the magic arm, as they call it. So you see on the 1/4-20 here, this will rotate around and it uses it as a lock. Right here, you've got your 1/4-20 mount. So we're going to screw this in. Pretty simple and straightforward. And then we can use, to adjust this the way we want, we can loosen this up, adjust it where we want, and then use the screw base to secure it in place where we need it. Like so. Okay, then you got your 1/4-20 on top. You can either attach your action camera mount, 3-finger mount, like so, and then use this to adjust it, or you can loosen this up once it's tight and just turn the ball around, tighten that back up, and then you're good to go. You can do the same thing with the phone mount. If you're going to use a phone mount, using the phone mount, you can do it like this and now you're good to go on the side of the car, or turn that on. Now you can take this, aim it down like so, tighten it up, and now your suction mounts are here and your device can go there. All right, so when we're going to attach it to the car, you see we've got everything set up here. We're going to go ahead and take these caps off. Right, and then all you're really going to do is just hold it to the car, get it where you want it, however you want it, hold it in, and then safety line in, grab the other one till it grabs. You got your safety lines in, and now you're attached. Now you can take this, adjust it however you need, or whatever you plan to do. Slide your phone in, and now we have that adjustment there for the phone. Now the interesting thing is, say we want to do something going to the front, we can just take and turn this as needed. And now you can see it's secured and ready to go. It's not going anywhere. Now if you're using an action camera, all you do is just screw this on where you need it, like so. Loosen that up, set that exactly where you want it, like that. Rotate this around, and now you've got a view from that side. You can take this, spin this way if you want a different angle, and now you got it from that side as well. That magic arm allows you to put it in a lot of different directions. Now, in order to release the suction cups, you got these tabs. Just grab that tab, it'll come off, both sides. Now you can take it Press that side in, suction cup that down, come and get this, well, that side in, suction cup down till it grabs and holds. Take that one, same thing there. And now we got a whole another angle that we can use for the suction mount. Now we got a whole nother angle that we can use to really get some pretty cool shots with the suction camera. Whether you want those wheel shots, whether you want roof shots, whatever you need, this NEEWER dual mount suction cup setup will be pretty damn good.